Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Classes with me. Please ignore all this shirt and pant and all. This news headline will be from the newspaper The Mint. Actually, The Mint newspaper with the reference. This will be in English language. Let's start. Let's move with the first news headline. First news headline is about wait, Europe resides, or we can say Europe is taking prevention for the second wave. Actually, in Europe, there are a lot of death and coronavirus cases in this pandemic situation from the last 9 months. Actually, to take care of this, the European government has been taking a quick prevention rule on Germany that they will be wearing mask, and that is a mandatory rule in Germany. Second thing is that in Italy they have also made a rule that mask is very much compulsory because the second wave is on the way, and in this they are also sanitizing all the hospital, nursing home, and also the houses and roads 24/7 so that they could take a good and an extra prevention from the coronavirus pandemic. And really there are so much death and cases been rising anyhow in this, in India, especially in winter season, the cases will be high as per the scientists have said. So let's hope for the best that it doesn't increase and the vaccine releases as soon as possible. Okay, so this is all about the first news headline. Now let's move to the second news headline. Second news headline is a very good news actually. Bangladesh has taken a huge step, and really it's a very good step that they will punish those who are convicted in rape. Punishment is death punishment, and this is a really good news. Actually, India should also take these rules and regulation, but let's see what happens. Let's hope for the best. Actually, this rule have been made a perfect rule on Monday. Actually, they were in a talk that to make this rule apply from Monday. They have said that this is a rule in 2020 amendment rules and regulations. So Bangladesh has taken a huge step. The step is that if anyone get convicted or get caught in rape, they will first do a medical check. If the medical check is positive, then the culprit will be hanged to death, or a death punishment will be given. No life imprisonment, nothing, just death punishment. And this step has been taken from the Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Well done, and it's a really very good, what do we say, policy that Bangladesh has taken. Hope this policy comes to India also as soon as possible. Now let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about Italy. As I've told you in the first news headline only, there is a second wave is coming in Italy. Anyhow, the Italian family who is having around 620 sculpture of Julius Caesar that are around 2500 years ago, or we can say 15th century, are making them into a show. Actually, the family, those who are having a sculpture, they want to make the museum into a complex, but they have decided not to make that museum to a complex and rather display all the sculpture of Julius Caesar with 620 extra sculpture. Actually, the let me say something about that. The family is having a world record that they are having a huge number of sculpture of Julius Caesar, and it is around 620 sculpture are there with them. So they are going to make this show from the next week, and this will extend up to June 2021. There will be fountains, even though the museum will be having all this sculpture that you are seeing on the screen right now. So let's move to the fourth news headline. Fourth news headline is about automobile sector. Actually, Maruti Suzuki cars are not into sale anyway. No one cars is into sale right now. The sale has graph has decreased anyway because of this coronavirus and all. So right now Maruti Suzuki has told all the vendors to take care of the accessories and also service. Actually, the vendors have to do a vigorous and a push sale of the spare parts, as well as should be active in the maintenance sector, because right now, to increase the cash flow and to not go to financial debt, the companies have to take this step. Anyhow, let's move to the fifth news headline. The fifth news headline is about investment. Walmart, Flipkart is investing in Ninja Cart. Yes, they have invested around $30 million in Ninja Cart, and Ninja Cart is a company. They are into supplying of products like fresh fruits and vegetables are supplied to the household. How it works, let us see. Actually, Ninja Cart takes all the supplies and the fresh fruits and vegetables from the directly from the sellers, or we can say the gardeners, those they are having collaboration or contact. Then they will use it, refine it, keep it fresh, and sell it to the household. There is no middleman in it. Actually, middleman is Ninja Cart. So anyhow, there is no middleman in this, and they sell all the fresh fruits and vegetable. Actually, it is a Bangalore based startup. So they means Flipkart and Amazon have invested $30 million in this for raising this startup. Hope this startup also comes to a unicorn startup list. So this is all about our news headline. So if you like my video, then please click on the like button, share button, and subscribe button. If you don't like my video, click on the dislike button and write it in the comment section that what should be improved, so that I can bring improvement in my next video. So thank you and have a nice day.